Happy Diwali! Diwali is one of my favorite festivals. It brings two of my favorite things together. Naye kapde and lots of khana. You won't believe I spend hours and hours in Loki's kitchen making some delicacies for my family and friends. And for all the ingredients and for all the requirements in Loki's kitchen, I come to my favorite place, Spinneys. Right now we are in Spinneys Marina and they have some special promotion going on for Diwali. So let's check it out. It's Diwali time. If you're planning to have friends and family over for some nice Diwali dinner, make sure that you come down to Spinneys because they have some really incredible stuff for Diwali. And of course, you get the fresher experience here at Spinneys. I'm going to get into Loki's kitchen and prepare a special Diwali recipe for you guys. Diwali पे usually होता है कि लोग मिठाई बहुत खाते हैं और बड़ी guilty भी feel करते हैं कि यार बड़ी calories आ गई हैं और मीठा इतना आप लोग खा लेते हैं कि कुछ ज़्यादा ही sweet लगता है। इन दोनों प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन है आज लोकीज किचन में क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसी रेसिपी लेकर आया हूं जो कि नेचुरली स्वीट है तो आपको कैलोरीज की भी चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है एंड दिस मिठाई हैज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ चिली इन इट मिर्ची वाली मिठाई लेट्स चेक इट आउट इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल ओट्स कोको चिली लड्डू रेसिपी ऑन दिवाली इन लोकीज किचन आप सोच रहे कि यार मतलब कोको और चिली हाँ इनके लड्डू बनने वाले हैं एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी प्रीटी हेल्दी एज वेल आई एम गोइंग टू टेक वन बिग बोल ऑफ ओट्स नेचुरली स्वीटनेस देने के लिए आई हैव सम फिग्स सम 3-4 फिग्स यानी कि अंजीर हिंदी में कहते हैं इसे वन बिग बोल ऑफ मिक्स नट्स I'm going to take 1 big spoon of cocoa powder and I'm going to take 1/4 spoon of chili flakes and now I'm going to grind all these ingredients in the mixer. So our laddu paste is already ready and just in case आपको लग रहा है कि यार ये थोड़ा और sweet हो सकता था लड्डू है यार दिवाली है I have a healthy option for you. What you can do is you can actually use half a scoop or 1/4 scoop of protein powder or if you have Horlicks or one of those protein powders at home just use 1/4 scoop of that and it's going to be just the right amount of sweetness in your laddus. All set to make laddus now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add half a spoon of ghee so that we can bind these into perfectly round shaped laddus. I'm going to apply some ghee on my hand as well and we're going to roll them into perfectly shaped laddus and they're ready. And once you roll your laddus, if you want, this is optional, you can actually roll them in grated coconut as well. And set them aside in the refrigerator for next 30 minutes. So Diwali is just around the corner. If you're also getting into your kitchen thinking that you're going to make some really amazing Diwali sweets and delicacies, make sure that you go to Spinneys and shop all your ingredients there because Spinneys gives you the fresher experience.